Welcome to JeeJeeLand, our cozy, happy home. We live, we play, we learn new things wherever we roam. Now A to Z, let's learn the tools we use in our homes.
A is for apron, paint without a mess. Stay neat in our home.
Apron on and smiling, baking can be sweet in our home. B is for bed, close your eyes and rest in our home. Teddy tucks you in, dreams are the best in our home. C is for chair, sit down and feel fit in our home. Scooted to the table, snack time we sit in our home.
D is for door,
Open then close in our home.
knock knock peekaboo.
Strike a pose in our home.
E is for envelope,
Mail a cute note in our home.
draw a heart and send it.
A tiny quote in our home.
F is for fridge,
Snacks stay cold in our home.
open it with grown-ups.
Yummy and bold in our home.
G is for glass,
Take a small sip in our home.
water helps you sparkle.
Tip, tip, tip in our home.
H is for hanger,
Shirts go up to dry in our home.
hang them nice and tidy.
Reach up high in our home. I is for ice tray. Frozen cubes are nice in our home.
Pop pop little ice cubes,
Cool, cool ice in our home. J is for jar.
put your snacks in a pack in our home.
Twist the lid and giggle.
Crack, 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 crack in our home.
K is for keyboard.
Tap to type in our home.
Click, clack, little letters.
Swipe, swipe, swipe in our home.
L is for lamp.
Glow so bright in our home.
Night, night, cozy corner.
Soft at night in our home.
M is for mirror.
Show your smile in our home.
Silly faces, happy dances.
Full of style in our home.
N is for notebook.
Doodle right now in our home.
Color, shapes, and little stars.
Wow, wow, wow in our home.
O is for Ottoman.
Rest your feet in our home.
Kick back with Teddy.
Comfy seat in our home.
P is for pillow.
Cuddle up snug in our home.
Hug it tight, feel safe.
Big warm hug in our home.
Q is for quilt.
Keep warm with charm in our home.
Snuggle like a teddy bear.
Cozy charm in our home.
R is for rug.
Soft and cozy in our home.
Step, step, tiny footsteps.
Warm and rosy in our home.
S is for soap.
Wash up clean in our home.
Bubbles floating everywhere.
Shiny gleam in our home.
T is for table.
Snack and eat in our home.
Family laugh together.
Yummy treat in our home.
U is for umbrella.
Splash in the rain in our home.
Fold it up and store it.
Again in our home.
V is for vacuum.
Clean the floor in our home.
Zoom, zoom, little helper.
Make it more in our home.
W is for washer.
Clothes go spin in our home.
Round and round, fresh and clean.
Win, win, win in our home.
X is for Xylophone.
Play a fun tune in our home.
Ding dong, rainbow music.
See you soon in our home.
Y is for yarn.
Make a craft in our home.
Loop, loop, little bracelets.
Float a raft in our home.
Z is for zipper.
Zip, zip, zip in our home.
Up it goes on jackets.
Skip, skip, skip in our home. A to Z, we learned at home in JeeJeeLand.